Given the global demand for alternative energy sources, exploring nature-driven options like auroral power generation is a reasonable consideration. Although rarely considered, auroras can produce up to 10 billion watts of power, making them a potential source of renewable and sustainable energy. Capturing all this energy at once is extremely challenging, and the low variable energy density means that a stationary satellite would be insufficient, necessitating a mobile collection vessel. By harnessing the electromagnetic radiation produced by particle acceleration in Earth's magnetosphere, a rectenna-equipped vessel has the potential to convert this radiation into microwaves. These can then be wirelessly transmitted to a ground station, where another rectenna reconverts the waves back into a functional power source. This approach makes it possible to use auroral energy for practical applications. This brings us to the research topic. Based on this novel and enticing proposition, this proposal aims at conducting research to determine the feasibility of the proposed auroral power harnessing and transmission system. The title of the proposed research is thus given as the Feasibility Assessment of Satellite-Based Systems for Harnessing Auroral Solar Wind Radiation, Utilizing Microwave Power Transmission. Based on the given topic, the proposal includes a primary research objective, that is, evaluating the feasibility of a system that captures auroral electromagnetic radiation for power generation, and the secondary research objective, exploring the use of microwave power transmission to wirelessly transfer energy between a satellite and a ground station over long distances. This research proposal includes the three main research steps as part of the proposed research process and methodology. The first proposed step is to conduct a detailed literature review that aims at investigating the energy produced during an auroral event. This is then followed by a theoretical calculation-based estimation and assessment of various energy harnessing approaches, predominantly focusing on rectenna-based systems. Finally, the proposed research aims to develop a conceptual engineering design and evaluation of a microwave power transmission system for harnessing the energy emitted during an auroral occurrence. Based on the recently concluded research, potential exists to further investigate the following research areas. Firstly, the influence of larger rectenna devices on energy harnessing potential. As the exposed surface of a rectenna plays the largest role in capturing electromagnetic energy, this variable has a significant impact on the energy harnessing potential and feasibility of the overall system. Secondly, the improved rectenna energy conversion efficiency impact on the system energy harnessing potential. The energy conversion efficiency of the rectenna system, predominantly focused on the diode efficiency, plays a major role in the overall system energy harnessing efficiency and hence the feasibility of the system. Therefore, based on the global energy production state and the information presented, this research topic clearly exhibits significant potential and justifies further investigation.